Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this exercise, we are going to see how to use subqueries or nested queries in Oracle using different ways. Now, I have this the first statement. This is the nested query. This query will get us the maximum length from all films. Which is the maximum length of all films? I will get it here. Then I will compare it to the length of the other movies. This will select the title and length from film where the length of this film is equal to the maximum length of all films. When I run this, I get the maximum length films, which are 10 of them. The same query, I can do it using not exist. How is this done? Now let's see this subquery. This subquery will select everything, or even if you want to select title or anything, it doesn't matter. Select all from film. I will give abbreviation F2, where F1, which is the outer one, where the F1 length, a length of the outer movie, is less than the length of the inner one. If there is any chance that the outer one is less than the inner one, I will not get it in the result, because where it's not exist. When I run this statement, I get exactly the same result. Now I can do it using different approach. Now let's copy this. Select title, length from film, where length is greater than or equal all. Select length from film. Then I get the same result. What does this subquery do? I will get the length of all films. Now I will compare the outer one with the length of this list. I will get only the title and length of the films that their length is greater than or equal all other movies. This is using all in subquery. Now let's try another thing. I want to get the film titles which are not the shortest one. Any film which is not the shortest movie, I want to get its title and length. How I'm gonna do that? I will use another one. I will call it where length is greater than any. When I get any chance that my outer film is greater than any movie in the list, I will get it out in the result. Now to see the lowest or the shortest movie I get is 47, which means there is another film which contains less than 47 minutes. But that one won't get in the result. To verify that, I will do select and I will run this statement. Now I get 46. In this exercise we saw how to use subquery using equal, exist or not exist. You can even use exist, using all, using any. This is all for subqueries. You can practice more by your own self, or you can see the other approaches how to use that. Thanks.